Hi, in front of me is HUAWEI P Smart 2021, and today I would like to show you how you can install Adblock on this device. Firstly, open App Gallery. Then type Opera Mini and download it. Now tap Open. Click Continue and pick one of the options. Adblock is now on. You can check it out by going into any website. As you can see, you blocked your first ads. If you wanna disable Adblock, tap at the bottom right corner and click Ad Blocking. Adblock is now off. You can turn it back on the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!